it don't really impact my social life. It didn't really make a difference.
It made me stay away from people.
COVID didn't really affect my social life that much.
It affects my social life because I can't really do nothing. I can't go to a party with my friends. I can't go to my friend's house because it's you got to be as sanitary as possible. So it's really I can't really do nothing. I have to stay in the house and stuff.
COVID impacts my social life because I can't go anywhere, really can't see my friends or really do anything. And I have to wear a mask everywhere I go.
COVID impacted my social life because I couldn't go out or see my friends or go to the movies. It was very hard to keep a relationship with my friends and a relationship with other people.
COVID impacts my social life because I can never do anything with my friends, and it just keeps me in the house.
Everything closed lately since COVID going around. Since the numbers going up. Yeah, we just be boring. We don't got nothing to do.
I like going out, and with COVID, I couldn't do that.
In the beginning, it was not allowing me to see my family, and a lot of my family members got sick, but they start feeling better. Okay.
It affected my social life because I have nowhere to go, basically. So everything's closed down, and masks muffle what people say, so yeah.
It's impacted my social life because I cannot go out with my friends like I was supposed to do.
Oh, because people not listening. They ain't keep their mask up.
Because people not doing what they're supposed to do.
People being around people, and you don't know who they've been around, you don't know who they've been around, so it's every time you're around somebody, you can get sick and stuff.
Because people don't listen, people do what they want to do, and sometimes you never know when you have COVID, so you could be around anybody at any time not knowing that they have COVID, and they don't know if they have COVID themselves, so.
Probably because a lot of people not getting a vaccine, and it's spreading even more from people not getting a vaccine, so I don't know.
But I think it's not gonna go away because people are not wearing masks or wearing precautions or taking the shots either.
Because when people go out, they don't really wear their mask, and they be around other people, and you never know if they have COVID or not, so yeah.
Because some people ain't following the proper precautions.
Probably because everybody's out partying or just out doing their regular things, just not using protection.
Because these masks, and nobody want to wear them, they hurting people's ears and stuff.
It's unsafe, but it's probably the best thing we can do right now.
It's not clean. Everything, you don't know if the janitor's cleaning everything. You have to sit in seats that everybody else sat in. It's just unsanitary.
It's okay, but I can tell that the learning process is faster. They teach a lot faster.
I feel like we should be virtual instead of coming to school because it's really a risk. We could get COVID anytime.
Ooh, come to school with all the people here that got COVID. You don't know who got the vaccine or who don't have the vaccine. Or you may be bumping into somebody that's contagious or not. You can get sick very easily. I wish we'd go back online.
I feel like coming to school while COVID is still around is a bad thing because you don't know who got COVID or who don't. And yeah, it can be spreading around the school. So.
I don't know, it's weird with these masks on. It's everybody gotta stay socially distanced. And it's weird.
It ain't really affecting me, but at the same time, they got all these rules to where you gotta wear your mask and stuff like that, so I feel like it's kind of impacting me a little bit. But in all honesty though, it ain't really bothering me.
It feels a little rushed a little bit, like everything's going a little faster than usual. And it is harder to understand what the teachers are saying when they're going faster, and especially with the mask over their face.
It's kind of dangerous because you can have the COVID in the school.